Courtney Patton with Pinnacle Luxury Homes Group, here to bring you our latest listing, an executive home here in Mount Doug Estates. Let's go check it out. This beautiful home was built by GL Island Developments, an award-winning builder here in Victoria. It has a beautiful open concept living space with floor-to-ceiling windows that allows for natural light throughout the home.
You're going to love the features with black fixtures throughout the house, custom built-in cabinetry with a wet bar, open concept kitchen with a wine fridge, high-end Miele appliances. This is every kitchen lover's dream with an open concept feeling you can entertain as you can cook, and a built-in pantry. Few steps away from your double-sided gas fireplace in your living room is your master bedroom on the main level. This is my favorite room in the house. You have to check it out. You're gonna love this master bedroom with floor-to-ceiling windows, custom built-in walk-in closet, and a luxurious 5-piece ensuite bathroom.
For more information about this beautiful home, visit our website at pinnacleluxuryhomes.com or 4117alberglane.com.